Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and man, I wish I knew about this sooner. I wish I would have picked up a garlic press sooner, because I was always the type that would just peel my garlic and slice it by hand with a knife. And then a while back I picked up a garlic press, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer. I went with this one. This one's got a nice construction. It's pretty heavy, it's solid, it's one piece, so the top's not going to come off like some other models. And this gives you a bonus. This little section here is a cherry pitter. You could probably use it for olives too as well. I do use it for cherries for my kids. So when we buy cherries when it's cherry season, you can pit the cherry in and give them the cherry without having to worry about the pit. But you peel your garlic. It's easy as just opening this up, place your garlic inside. That's almost probably a decent sized piece of garlic there. You could probably get two in there. Sometimes if they're smaller, you can get two in there. But I'm doing this with one hand, and that's it. Look at that. And then you can just scoop that right into your pot and get that garlic in there, get that flavor going. So you don't have to be, this saves time in the kitchen, right? We need all the time we can get. So if you're looking for a garlic press, definitely check this one out. I've been happy with it. It's super nice. I also like how it just stands upright too. So when you're done with it, you can just sit it down and it's not sitting on its side.